Understanding a project plan. A project plan is a comprehensive document that outlines how a project will be executed, monitored, and controlled. It serves as a roadmap, guiding the team through the project lifecycle and ensuring that all stakeholders are on the same page. A project plan is essential because it defines the project's objectives, scope, schedule, resources, risks, and more. Without a clear project plan, projects can easily go off track, leading to missed deadlines, overspending, and unmet goals. Key components of a project plan. Project objectives and goals. The foundation of any project plan is the clear definition of what the project aims to achieve. Objectives are specific, measurable outcomes that the project is intended to deliver. For example, if a company is launching a new product, one of the objectives might be to achieve a certain market share within the first year. Scope statement. The scope defines the boundaries of the project, specifying what will and will not be included. This helps prevent scope creep, where the project expands beyond its original objectives. For instance, if a construction company is building a residential complex, the scope would detail the number of units, amenities, and features to be included. Schedule and timeline. A project plan includes a detailed timeline that outlines the start and end dates for each task and milestone. The schedule helps the team stay on track and ensures that deadlines are met. Tools like Gantt charts are often used to visualize the timeline. For example, in software development, the schedule might include phases like requirement gathering, coding, testing, and deployment. Resource allocation. Resources refer to anything required to complete the project, including people, equipment, and materials. The project plan identifies what resources are needed, when they are needed, and how they will be used. In a real-life scenario, a marketing campaign might require resources such as graphic designers, content writers, and advertising budgets. Risk management. Every project faces risks, which could be anything from budget overruns to unexpected delays. The project plan should identify potential risks, assess their impact, and outline strategies for mitigating them. For example, a construction project might face risks like bad weather or supply chain disruptions. The plan would include contingency measures, such as alternative suppliers or adjusted timelines. Budget and cost management. The project plan includes a budget that estimates the total cost of the project, breaking it down into categories like labor, materials, and overhead. It also outlines how costs will be monitored and controlled throughout the project. For example, an event management company planning a large conference would create a budget that accounts for venue rental, catering, marketing, and other expenses. Quality management. Quality management ensures that the project's deliverables meet the required standards. The project plan should define the quality criteria and the processes for ensuring that these criteria are met. In a manufacturing project, this might involve regular inspections and testing of products to ensure they meet safety and performance standards. Communication plan. Effective communication is critical to the success of any project. The communication plan outlines how information will be shared among stakeholders, including the frequency, methods, and content of communication. For instance, in a multinational project, the communication plan might include weekly video conferences, daily status updates, and a shared online workspace for document collaboration. Real-life use case. Launching a new mobile app. Imagine a tech startup is planning to launch a new mobile app. The project plan for this launch would include project objectives: to launch the app within 6 months and achieve 100,000 downloads in the first quarter. Scope: the app will include features like user authentication, social media integration, and a payment gateway. Future updates not part of this project may add additional features. Schedule: the timeline might break down into phases like design, 1 month, development, 3 months, testing, 1 month, and marketing, 1 month. Resources: the project will need a team of developers, UI/UX designers, testers, and marketing specialists. It will also require software licenses, testing devices, and a marketing budget. Risks: potential risks could include delays in development, bugs in the app, or insufficient marketing reach. Mitigation strategies might include setting aside extra time for testing and planning a phased marketing approach. Budget: the budget would cover salaries, software licenses, Marketing and contingencies. The project manager would regularly review expenditures to ensure the project stays within budget. Quality management. The team would follow coding standards, conduct thorough testing, and gather user feedback during a beta phase to ensure the app meets user expectations. Communication. The plan would include daily stand up meetings, weekly progress reports, and a shared project management tool to keep everyone informed and aligned. Importance of a project plan. A well structured project plan is crucial because it provides clarity, aligns the team, and sets the foundation for successful project execution. It helps in coordinating efforts, managing expectations, and ensuring accountability. Without a project plan, even a simple project can quickly become chaotic, leading to missed deadlines, budget overruns, and unmet objectives. In summary, a project plan is not just a document, it's a strategic tool that guides a project from concept to completion, ensuring that goals are met efficiently and effectively. Whether you're building a skyscraper, launching a new product, or planning a wedding, a solid project plan is your blueprint for success.